ever wondered how so many fish are caught every day by big fishing industries? No? Well, next time you eat salmon or tuna, try and think about it. The amount of fish has declined a lot, around 76% exactly, between 1970 and 2016. Even if you might not think so, fish and sea life contribute to the ecosystem more than you know it. The big fishing industries must change their practices because they are overfishing and bycatching other animals. Their practices are destructive and they're damaging the ocean floors. But the worst part is that they don't care if their practices are not correct because they only care about money. This isn't good, since they are really harming the environment and could lead to even bigger problems in the future.
Big fishing industries are killing our seas. They are overfishing and by catching fish that were not meant to be caught. When too many fish are taken out of the ocean, it creates an imbalance that can alter the food web and lead to a loss of other important marine life, including vulnerable species like sea turtles. We are hurting most marine life by doing this, and it needs to be stopped.
Bycatch is fish or other marine species caught unintentionally while trying to catch another type of fish. You may think that this is not a big deal. Well, that's not true. According to MCS.org, bycatching can be a problem, especially when endangered, threatened, and protected species such as turtles and dolphins are accidentally caught, injured, or killed. Some species that are caught and also are threatened are dolphins, as stated in the IUCN Red List. Dolphins were assessed in 2018 and have been listed as an endangered species. Population of dolphins and other sea animals has decreased because they were not even meant to be killed or captured.
The big fish practices industries are destructive. Most of the fishes eaten today are raised on aquafarms, either inland or fenced-off cages in the ocean. Aquafarming or aquaculture is the farming of aquatic organisms. On these farms, fish spend their whole lives confined in tight spaces. The waters can be toxic along with antibiotics, pesticides, parasites, and fences that spread the surrounding areas containing our oceans. While fishing populations can get sick and die when parasites or chemicals are spread to them from these farms through the water. According to a study, a 2-acre fish farm or 8,000 square meters can produce as much waste of a town of 10,000 people.
Not only does aquafarming create massive amounts of waste, it also contributes to more industrial fishing. This is because many of the fish raised on these farms are predators, meaning they need to eat smaller fish to survive. Billions of wild fish need to be caught in order to feed these farm species. It takes around 5 pounds of ocean fish to produce just 1 pound of farmed salmon.
Industrial fishing also has devastating environmental impacts. Commercial fishing operations sometimes use a technique called bottom trawling, which takes place when fishing boats drag giant nets across the ocean floor. These nets pick up fish and anything else in their path, which harms the ecosystem and ocean. The United Nations estimates that up to 95% of global ocean damage is a direct result of bottom trawling.
There are already laws that prevent overfishing. For example, the Magnuson-Stevens Fishery Conservation Amendment Act or the VEDA law in Mexico. With these laws, it could be impossible to overfish in large quantities behind the Congress and all other fishing companies' backs. Also, there are big demands for fish, even though they are a big company. They need keep fishing because all the fish they catch, they sell it real quick. Some people will believe overfishing and big fish industries are bad and all. In conclusion, we believe that big fish industry are very destructive and they are causing a lot of damage that is in where their practices need to be changed in order to reduce their overfishing and start taking care of the life under the sea, not only fish but corals and all marine life. Thanks.